Welcome friends. Sometimes we are added by friends in WhatsApp groups and a large number of messages come every time. So what we do, we go and delete one by one on clean box and we lose data. How we could save time? So today I'll tell you the unique feature of WhatsApp through which these messages will auto be deleted in 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days, or you can even stop it again. How we will do it? Let's go to the screen and watch it. Now I am again on my mobile and I'll show you. Let's suppose this is a group. So let me open, and a huge number of messages are available. So I mostly go and clean one by one, or I press three dots and clean box. But the matter is that each and every time I go there and I press and then clear chat, so the box become clear. Let's today make it automatic. Make three dots and group information, disappearing message. You can see a clock sign around it and press this. Now four options are available: 24, 7, 90 days or off. So I select 24 hours. Now it will automatically delete the oldest message which cross 24 hours. This message is fair. You can also save your message by making star to it or shifting it to somewhere your other folder which you would like to keep the data or the message which is important to you. Otherwise, if you don't, so the message will be deleted. Now let's check that I have already, this is another friend of mine who has already applied this on my side. So I can deselect his auto delete, or I can also use the same method of auto delete. So it's this option is available to both ends of the WhatsApp or both end users. Now I also on it, and let me check another person where I have practically used this